Hello creative designers and welcome on today's tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to create a page and set the page as your default post page. That's the lesson for today. My name is Peter. Let's get into action and we do it light. So what we need to do, we need to get to the dashboard and we scroll to page. Now you have all pages. You see, I only have home, so we need to create a new page and we name it our blog page. We name it blog. After creating the name, we need to set some few things. So the theme I'm using is called Ocean WP. It has this Ocean WP setting. So we need to set the content layout. So I want the content layout to be full width. And I also want to hide the title. And I also want to hide the breadcrumbs like that. After that, I publish the page. The page has been published, so we open it on a new page or on a new tab. Here we have it. You have our heading. This is our header section, and here we have our footer section. In between, you don't have anything. So we want our post to be on these pages, on this section here. So you need to come back to the dashboard, go to setting, and on hover you have this menu option. Select reading option. Here now we have you need to set your home page display as your static page, and now you have this option for post page, and select the page you have just created. Let's say first of all the pages the setting. We have saved the setting, so now we refresh our page, and with that we have all our posts in one page like that. So that's how you can set a page to host all your posts without doing much about the design and everything. After now the page has been created, we need to add it on the header section. So what we need to do, we just go to the dashboard again. Let's go to the dashboard. We scroll to appearance on the dashboard menu. Let's go to appearance, and here we have the menus. Click on menus and you'll be directed to this menu creation page. So now we select the page you have just created and we add it to menu. With that, we save it. Let's refresh our page. There you have your blog page. There you have your home page, and now you have a blog page like that, and you have all your blogs in that section. That's how you can add it to the header section. I hope you did learn something from today's tutorial. My name is Peter. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorial to follow. Thank you.